It's your dude, Aaron Barbie, and you guys wanted to know, how do you get the card? How do we get the card? Alright, so let's check it out. So at the bottom right, down yonder, let's get the card. Let's click on the card, and then we're going to go to view or upgrade, okay? And the basic math that you want to do in between each level card is, well, what do I get? What do I get? What kind of rewards do I get? And what do we have to do to get? Okay, so let's click on Obsidian. Okay, let's click on the max. So you can see here now the privilege section is pretty stacked. You're getting Spotify paid for, Netflix paid for, and if you're on the Amazon Prime for the one time, you're getting that paid for, 100% back on that. You're also getting stake rewards, so you're earning money. 18%, I like that. You get your 10% back on Expedia, Airbnb, that's great. You get an extra 2% on your crypto earnings. Okay, so that's pretty amazing. And you got your pal, it's you and Bud, in the airport lounge. Okay, plus 5% back on all spend. Okay, pretty easy stuff. So you can see everything broken down right here. Okay, and you can click on that and get the further breakdown. You can see right here, you got to get the 1 million CRO tokens for this privilege. Okay, and then you're going to have to stake those for 180 days. Alright, so that's going to keep the ecosystem of this machine, this beast, as beastly as it can be. And then you can see here, you'll get 0 fees up to $1,000 per month, and then of course the 2% kicks in after that. And then you can go and check out the terms and conditions down yonder. So what you have to really look for is, this takes 1 million coins, right? This one takes 100,000 coins, right, to get 100,000 CRO. The Jade and the Indigo, only 10,000. Okay, so you just have to do the math, and let's go do that. Let's go back out and let's click on home down here, and then we need to click on the accounts. So you really didn't have to do that, but I'm just trying to get your fingers, clicking buttons. So let's go to the top right here. Okay, and 290 CRO right now in the markets is $46.51. So the lowest card, I do believe, is 1,000 CRO. So basically, almost a little bit higher than triple this would be your lowest card. Okay, so probably over $150 right now. So what could you do to get a better deal? We're traders. Always think, make the best trade. So just a few weeks ago, my 291 coins was $54, right? So that means if I would have bought my 1,000 coins to get that card, then I would have been paying at that $54 range. So that's much higher. That means that each coin was more expensive. That means if I would have got my 1,000 coins back then, I would have been paying more than I am now because the markets went down. So what I'm trying to tell you is, as a trader, right, we understand the markets. This is what people are not going to understand as we're going into the cryptocurrency world. And they're just going to be getting stuff at any price, not knowing they could have just waited. Okay, so you want to see in the markets, okay, how has this coin been performing? How has the markets been performing? Are we about to go into a bull run? Are we about to go into a crypto drought? Because if we're going to go into a crypto drought, best believe I'll let these coins drop to however low they ever used to be, and then I'll get the card, and then that would make sense because then I get the card at a much cheaper price. That's what I'm going to be looking for. But then again, if we go into a bull run, I might have to bite a bullet or just totally wait. And so that's the risk to reward ratio that we're dealing with right here. That's it, right? So if you're feeling good about these levels, if you look at the charts and you feel good about the price, I think right now there's 16 cents. If you're feeling good about 16 cents, let's try and get a monthly chart up. Back in September, 19 cents took a dip. Going back up. So hopefully right now we can see another dip. 3 months, are you going to give me something? Hopefully we can see another dip. I'm seeing right now it looks like back in July it was around these levels, and it looks like it bounced off of that. So that's kind of no bueno, but it looks like it's hitting this ceiling that's going across right here. So maybe we can get a drop. Maybe 12 cents. We'll pray for 10 cents, right? Because we're actually trying to buy this coin, so we want the lowest price possible, right? Other than that, hopefully it doesn't break these levels. If it breaks these levels, then you guys know that it's going up. Okay? If it just bounces off and comes back down, right? It goes under 15 and bounces back up to 15. Let's let it keep on bouncing and see how far down it bounces. Okay? Well, other than that, let's move some crypto in so you guys understand how to do that. Okay? So let's go to the home button. So I'm on home button, and you see transfer right here. Let's click on transfer, and then we want to do what? We want to bring some cryptocurrency into our inner sphere over here, crypto.com. So we want to deposit. If we were moving out of here, we would need to be, withdrawn, right? So we're going to click on deposit. And then, of course, I'm bringing in crypto. Click on crypto. And so these are all the deposits you can do. As you can see, they got a lot going on. Okay. Awesome stuff. So let's go to one that we're dealing with. We got True USD. We can get that. We have quite a bit of choices on here. Neo. So it's looking like a good transfer route, right? Because you have a lot of coins over here that match up with your other wallet. So that's a very good transfer route. Okay? Your money can move so good in the markets, and you can save a lot of money doing exchanges. Okay, so we're going to move some Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on the two papers just to copy it. And then let's go over to Voyager. And make sure we click on, if you're on the market screen, make sure you click on your briefcase, open it up, click on BTC because we got it, click on transfer, and of course we're sending it out. Okay, so we're going to hit withdraw, and then I just click on this space and it'll automatically put the address in. Now all I have to do is type how much do I want to send. Okay, so I'm going to do like if I was trading, right? So I have 0.01 Bitcoin in here, pretty much. I don't worry about the rest. Okay, I keep it easy math. So I have 0.01 Bitcoin in here. So I'll probably want to send maybe. Let's look and see what half of that looks like, right? Let's do half of that. Okay, so that looks good. just like that. And they're like swimwear, baby. Let's go back. Click on history at the top right. Okay, and let's click on transfers. There we are, withdrawal. Just on this chart alone, the last 3 hilltops, you can see the double top, right? Inverted head and shoulders, coming down into a reversal, bursting through, and then retesting. I mean, that's kind of like detailed explosivity. Alright, so that's pretty much going to be showing up at some time, at some point. And if we go into Voyager, I know for sure, go into the history, go into the transfer, go into the actual thing. Once this starts to clear on the blockchain, get some confirmations and a transaction hash, you're good to go pretty much. Because then you can click on that and it'll take you straight to your transaction online in the cloud, and you can see all the details, and you can pay all your taxes from that transaction or write-offs. That's how it is.